Welcome to this video on Kotlin do-while loops. If you're familiar with do-while loops in Java, C, C++, .NET, they are identical. Also, do-while loops are very similar to while loops. The big difference is for the do-while loop, the while expression is evaluated at the end of the loop. So we can take a look at the structure here. First we have the do keyword, then we have the code block, and then we have the while and the expression. So the code block will execute at least once, and then the expression will be evaluated whether it's true or false. Just like while loops, do-while loops will continue to execute the code in the code block as long as the while expression is true. The code in the code block operates in some way on the expression, and when it becomes false, the application exits the do-while loop and moves on. This is a really interesting example. So you could see here we're initializing x as 1, and then we are going to loop here and increment by 1 until x is greater than 5. And then we go to the next do-while loop. We have x equal to 6. Notice the expressions in the while are the same. We initialize x to 6, and even though the expression is false, this do-while loop, the code blocks, executes just once and outputs the new value of x, which is 6. So this is a great example. So let's run this here and take a look. So I'll go over here to our Kotlin class file, right click, and select run. And we'll see the output here. We're not using print line, so it doesn't create a new line. So we can see here the loop, the first loop went executed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then the next loop executed just one time, because this expression, the while expression, became false from the incrementing up here in the first do-while loop. So thank you for watching this video on do-while loops. Stay tuned for more videos.